Over a decade ago, we started looking for an ROV to do water tank inspections. We previously had a tank business and we were just evolving in that business into doing water tank inspections. So in the Australian market at the time, there was really just the one product that was going to achieve what we were looking to do, and that was a very small deep trekker ROV. And eventually we loved that product so much that when the distributorship became available, we took it on.
We've been on a fantastic journey with Deep Trekker, so we've gone from one product to a whole range of things. And the best part about it, if something doesn't exist and there's a need for it, Deep Trekker are more than happy to work with us to develop that, to take it to market, which we've done with some of our bits of equipment already. Flexibility, we're extremely flexible. We are prepared to go that extra mile. We have great machinery straight off the shelf and we can adapt that in so many different ways. We've got machines that will go in the water, out of the water, whether you need to go down 50 metres to 300 metres, we've got it pretty much covered. Probably the most important thing to us is that we make sure that you are going to succeed with our product, because we want you to come back and grow your business, add more of the equipment to your fleet, which is really simple with the Deep Trekker equipment, because if you can operate one piece of machinery, you can operate them all. They're all based around the same platform and the usability is just fantastic.
We have quite a wide product range. Our very first ROV is still in the product range. That's called a DTG3, and that's just a basketball-sized unit, has a live video feed, and it really is literally 1 minute from the box into the water making observations. And then we move up to a couple of larger ROVs. One is called the Pivot, and that unit will descend to 300 metres, again having the live video feed, doing a little bit more work than the smaller one can do, and then stepping up to our largest ROV at this point, which is the Revolution. So it offers more stability. And then we go from the swimming range to a crawler range, and our crawler range is actually fairly unique in that it can transition from land to water. So we have mag crawlers, which can drive along a ship hull and do an inspection. And we also have a new unit which is called the Onyx. And the Onyx is more of a shoreline beach inspection. There is always access globally to parts or repairs or servicing or support as required. So things don't necessarily have to be returned to our workshop. They can actually be supported in other countries by other distributors who are working with the same manufacturer. So initially in the Australian market, we developed the water tank inspection industry. From there, we have moved across into aquaculture, police rescue.
From basically small operators with a van going out doing pipe inspections, right through to mining, the oil and gas, working with divers, commercial divers.
So the Royal Australian Navy uses our products at the moment. They use the mag crawlers to do ship hull inspections, and the Pivot, our medium-sized ROV. And we also are developing with the Army some of the crawling products.
The defence market's really important to us, not so much for weaponisation of robotics, but it's more about keeping our guys safe. Inspecting, looking for landmines, detecting, excavating, doing pre-inspections, and the one vehicle operates over so many different tasks. So it's not just one machine that does one thing, it does a whole range of things. Commercial ROV's future is very much focused on growing with not just the Deep Trekker brand, but also building our own equipment to go with that brand. It's about progressing down that safety route. So we want to make sure that everybody in their workplace can be safe, that we can give them the equipment that they need in order to get that task done. If that doesn't exist, then we have to work with our customers to create that piece of equipment to get the best outcome. So for the best outcome for inspections, best outcome more importantly for safety, because safety comes first.